Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best induction ranges that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Big Hood's 30-inch Induction Cooktop. This is a premium built-in induction range designed for serious home cooks and those who want advanced features at their fingertips. With 4 separate cooking zones and bridge sync functionality that allows you to combine zones for larger cookware, this cooktop is perfect for multitasking or preparing family-sized meals. The preset modes, melt, keep warm, and simmer, make cooking delicate dishes a breeze, while the booster feature speeds up cooking times for those busy evenings. Safety features such as residual heat warnings, auto shutdown, child lock, and overheat protection ensure peace of mind during use. The design is sleek and modern, with a black glass ceramic surface that is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. Performance-wise, the cooktop delivers rapid, even heating, making it ideal for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. However, it does require a 208 to 240 volt, 40 amp hour electrical setup, which may mean additional installation costs for some users. At $354.21, it's a high-end option that excels in precision and versatility, but it may not be the best choice for budget-conscious buyers or those looking for portable induction ranges. Pros include its advanced features, large cooking surface, and high safety standards. Cons include its premium price point and the need for professional installation. This is ideal for larger kitchens and users who need multiple cooking zones for simultaneous preparation. Coming in at number 4, we have the AMZ Chef Double Induction Cooktop. This versatile model is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs thanks to its compact design and portability. What sets it apart is the included removable non-stick griddle pan, which adds flexibility for grilling, frying, and even making pancakes. The dual cooking zones, each with independent controls, allow you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. With 9 power levels and a 99-minute timer, it gives you precise control over your cooking. The build quality is impressive, featuring polished crystal glass for the cooktop and a durable, non-toxic griddle pan. It's easy to clean, with a surface that resists stains and scratches. Performance-wise, the AMZ Chef delivers consistent heating and works great with compatible magnetic cookware. However, it's worth noting that the total power output maxes out at 1800 watts, meaning both burners share the wattage. This limitation might affect the speed of cooking when both zones are in use. Pros include its removable griddle pan, compact design, and easy-to-clean surface, while cons include limited total power output and compatibility issues with non-magnetic cookware. Priced at $179.99, it's a great mid-range option for users who want portability and multifunctionality in one device. At number 3, we have the New Wave Double Induction Cooktop, a powerhouse in the portable induction range category. This model boasts 2 independently controlled cooking zones with large 8-inch heating coils, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The standout feature here is the 94 precise temperature settings, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 575 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you unmatched control for everything from delicate sauces to searing steaks. The shatterproof ceramic glass surface adds durability and makes cleanup effortless. In terms of performance, the New Wave excels with quick heating and precise temperature adjustments, making it ideal for both novice cooks and professionals. Its intuitive controls allow you to make changes on the fly without restarting the cooking process. However, the unit is slightly heavier at 15.97 pounds, which may be less convenient for frequent travelers or those needing ultra portability. Pros include high precision, independent controls, and a durable design, while cons include its weight and slightly higher price point at $202.99. This induction cooktop is perfect for users who value precision and versatility, especially for complex recipes requiring specific temperature ranges. At number 2, we have the Cooktop Professional Portable Induction Cooktop. This commercial-grade countertop burner is built for durability and reliability, featuring stainless steel construction and a 7-blade fan for efficient heat dissipation. With 20 preset power levels and temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers versatility for a wide range of cooking tasks. The angled LCD control panel is easy to read, even from a distance, adding to the user-friendly design. In terms of performance, the Cooktop Professional delivers consistent heating with an impressive 83% energy efficiency. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for catering, outdoor cooking, or small kitchen setups. However, it's slightly bulkier than other single-burner models, and the stainless steel finish may require regular maintenance to prevent fingerprints and smudges. Pros include its durable build, high energy efficiency, and professional-grade features, while cons include its bulkier design and higher-than-average price for a single-burner cooktop. Priced at $154.80, this model is perfect for users who need a reliable, high-performance induction range for demanding cooking scenarios. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cooktop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner, the ultimate budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. This compact, lightweight model is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even outdoor use. With 20 preset power levels, 100 to 1800 watts, and temperature settings ranging from 100 Fahrenheit to 460 degrees, it offers flexibility for a variety of cooking tasks. The LCD sensor touch control panel is intuitive, featuring a child safety lock, fast boil button, and keep warm function. The build quality is solid, with a glass top that's easy to clean and resistant to scratches. Performance-wise, it heats quickly and efficiently, with an energy efficiency rating of 83%. The auto pan detection feature ensures safety by shutting off the unit if incompatible cookware is used. However, the single burner limits multitasking, and high-pitched noise may occur with certain cookware. Pros include its low price, compact design, and versatile features, while cons include the single burner limitation and occasional noise. At $116.99, this is the perfect choice for budget-conscious buyers who want quality and performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.